Hello all, this is Ankush from Bangalore. I'm an athlete by profession. I was launched in the business by Lakshman Narsimhan and Swati, and my upline platinums are Kumar Sharda. I graduated from the bootcamp of March month, and my score was 85. Today, I would like to share my views on the importance of case studies and book reading in my life or my journey and changing my mindset. Talking about case studies, according to me, this was the first time I was listening to real case studies. I have been used to hearing YouTube motivational videos, but these were somewhere I got connected because these were from the real people. Uh, I have seen them, I have met them, and I was so happy and curious to know what exactly they faced when they were at our stage, when they started. And this gives a whole new level of motivation and a pumped up behavior to just go get it. Starting week, I used to listen 4 to 5 case studies, but slowly I started loving it, and I started loving it the after effect of case study, which was pretty much boiling the blood. And I almost slowly I started reading case studies from 4 to 5 till the month to 10 to 15, and by the end of the boot camp I was able to finish 51 case studies, and that was all because of the motivation of the speaker and what problems he addressed, and which I can relate and I can use as a raw material for mine. Now, talking about the books, uh, yes, book readings is somewhere has written somewhere someone has written a very good line that you read book and you read the world. So I started doing that. I have, and and that is the reason I am in front of your screen talking about this. Uh, as I have recently finished two books, uh, one of which I can talk about it right now. It's called The Parable of the Pipeline, and this book is so relatable as it is based on two boys who are just like me, entering in the corporate world, entering the world of job, uh, working for their time and hard earned money, and it took only one mindset to change it to something great, and that was not so easy for him. And then he passes it to his friend, and they rock. So thank you all, and I must say that these two good habits I would like to continue in future and see myself growing. Thank you.